Hello guys, welcome to the channel. We have some exciting news coming up. Our order with a 2021 Zippos is on the way. We're gonna be reviewing them pretty soon. So please like and subscribe and share our channel to make it grow so we can bring some more amazing stuff. So today we're gonna be looking at the new Zippo Z-Luxury. So these are some premium lighters with some different materials like brass, copper, gold plated. So the difference between the Z-Luxury and the regular Zippos is that these are 360 engraved, so they're engraved all around. Also they're armor case, that means that they're much thicker than a regular one. So this is one of my favorite, is a gold plated. These are kind of pricey, but of course the design is insane. Most of these are 2019, 2020. Armor case, of course, they're thicker than the regular ones. Zippo lighters are warranty for a lifetime, so you don't have to worry if something breaks. The only problem is they don't cover the finish on the lighter, so if you drop it and scratch it, then that they cannot fix it. All these designs are amazing. The detail, please like and share. That way you support this channel so we can have more amazing content. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.